Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Sorry, not security, or actually we can go to the lock screen here. Just enter the screen lock you've got currently applied, and here in Biometrics we've got the fingerprints. So let's tap on this option. Tap on continue, and here we've got the instructions with the animation, what we have to do in order to add the fingerprint to our device. We have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button on the right side of our device. So just let me put my finger on it, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, because as you can see, your device will show you the information that you have to change the position of your finger, because this one is already recorded. Okay, it's quite long, to be honest, and quite precise. Yeah, finally. Okay, just tap on done. And this is the fingerprint section, and that's the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it. We can add another fingerprint and check added fingerprints. Here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. So fingerprint unlock, so basically to unlock the screen, and about fingerprints, so some information. So now let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.